everyone, my name is Olayode Juliana and you're watching Gold Edge TV.
Gold Edge TV, God bless you.
Happy birthday, Mama. I'm very happy to be here today. Auntie Fathia is a very wonderful person. She is very accommodating. I wish her long life and prosperity, and I hope she grow. And
This will support me. Maybe because I'm one of them. Maybe because I'm part of them. Because maybe I goes on. Because maybe you're there before. No. It's a big energy. Can I take it back right now? Take it inside. Everybody wake us up tonight.
happy birthday, Fathia Balogun Williams. I wish you long life and prosperity, more money, more wisdom. I wish you many good things in life. Enjoy. We are here to enjoy, to catch fun.
I don't know why this will support me. Maybe because I'm one of them. Maybe because I'm part of them. Because maybe I was someone. Because maybe you've had them before. I share their pain. I know their pain. It's my time to reign. Don't be afraid. I come back under you. Don't be mistake,
No matter what, she doesn't look down on people. She's always celebrating people. You know, I wish her well in this new journey of life, and I say her happy birthday to her. She will live long enough to see our children's children in the mighty name of Jesus.
So that's all this say, please. I'm here to say no one can deprive me. Expectation rising to God.
Money changer.
From the beginning, it has been easy. It was a mistake, now what is happening? God has signed my fire, He's here for me. Only keep you warm. Inú bẹ̀rẹ̀ ṣì wọ́n, àjẹbọ̀ sùn, inú bẹ̀rẹ̀ hàn. Àti nítorí mẹ́rin ó ń bọ̀, I must to work before man go job. Wọ́n fọ́ lókè, bàbá promotion. Mo ti ṣe rí bómi pẹ̀lú ràgbàdà. Mo dẹ̀ ti fọwọ́ wẹ̀wọ́ pẹ̀ lágbàlagbà. Mo ti mọ ní ọmọ ọdún. Mo ti rárá. I wanna be doing things. I wanna be.
Okay, so what's good, my people? Of course, my name is William. Ogozoli, Ekwe Sube, Branded, Majamega Jarija. In the freke man will be Kapiri material. It's here, do. Okay, then. Now you know what? Just keep watching Gold Edge TV.
Hey guys, this is your girl Uche Obodo. This is Gold Edge TV. Keep watching, okay?